Pronouncing the letter C in Spanish. In this guide, you'll learn about the different ways to pronounce the letter C in Spanish. There are 3 different ways to pronounce the letter C in Spanish. Like the letter K, K, like the letter S, S, or like the letters TH in the word think, th. K pronunciation. The letter C is pronounced like a K, K, when it is followed by either an A, O, or a U. For example, café. Café means coffee, café. Fantástico. Fantástico means fantastic, fantástico. Curiosidad. Curiosidad means curiosity, curiosidad. S or TH pronunciation. The letter C is pronounced like an S, S, or a TH, th, when it is put in front of the letters E or I. You can choose whichever you prefer. Different parts of the Spanish-speaking world use different pronunciations, but a general rule, a very overly general rule, would be that they pronounce this C like a th in Spain, and they pronounce it like a s in Latin America. For example, delicioso, delicioso, or delicioso, delicioso. So this word means delicious. You can say either delicioso or delicioso. The next word can be pronounced either precioso, precioso, or precioso, precioso. It means beautiful. Precioso or precioso. This next word can be pronounced either cinco, cinco, or cinco, cinco. It means 5. Cinco or cinco. And with this last word, you can either say francés, francés, or francés, francés. It means French. Francés or francés. Let's practice. Let's practice these letter C pronunciation rules a little. Here are some words. See if you can work out how to pronounce them. How would you say this first word? Camiseta. Camiseta. It means t-shirt. So the C is pronounced like a K. Camiseta, because it's followed by an A. The second word? Policía. Policía. Or policía. Policía. This word means police, and the C is followed by an I, so you can pronounce it either like an S or a TH. Policía or policía. How about the third word? We've got 2 C's in this word. Calcetines, calcetines, or calcetines, calcetines. So the first C is followed by an A, meaning it's pronounced like a K, ca, cal. And the second C is followed by an E, so we can pronounce it either like an S or a TH. Calcetines or calcetines. And this word means socks. Calcetines or calcetines. How would you pronounce the next word? Caballo. Caballo. This word means the horse, and the C is followed by an A, so we pronounce it like a K. Caballo. How about the fifth word? Escalera. Escalera. So the C is followed by an A, meaning it's pronounced like a K, and this word means staircase. Escalera. How about the sixth word? Alce, alce, or alce, alce. And this word means moose, as in the animal. alce or alce. The seventh word, corbata, corbata. This word means tie, and the C is pronounced like a K because it's followed by an O, corbata. The eighth word, cuatro, cuatro. So this word means four, cuatro, and the C is pronounced like a K because it's followed by a U, cuatro. How would you pronounce this ninth word? Natación, natación, or natación, natación. So this word means swimming, and the C is pronounced either like a S or a Th because it's followed by an I. Natación or natación. And then how would you pronounce the last word? Cerdo, cerdo, or cerdo, cerdo. And this word means pig, and you can pronounce the C like an S or a Th because it's followed by an E. Cerdo or cerdo. If you're finding this video useful, please consider pressing the like button, or as the Spanish say, el botón de me gusta. Or in fact they tend to say, dame un pulgar arriba, which means give me a thumbs up. Or you might even be so kind as to subscribe, suscribirte, as it really helps this channel to grow and reach a wider audience. Gracias. A little extra. The letter C can also be followed by the letters R, L, T, and H. When it's followed by an R, L, or a T, it's simply pronounced like a K. For example, crítico, crítico means critic, crítico. Teclado, teclado means keyboard, teclado. Instructivo, instructivo means instructive, instructivo. When the letter C is followed by a H, the combination of CH is pronounced like the CH in the English words church or chocolate, ch, ch. For example, chaqueta, chaqueta means jacket, chaqueta. And the CH in Spanish is slightly softer than the CH in English, so it's not quite chaqueta, it's chaqueta. Or chocolate. Chocolate means chocolate, chocolate. Or chico. Chico means boy, so it's not quite chico with a harsh CH, it's chico with a soft CH. In context. It's always good to look at rules in context because it helps to solidify them in your mind. So let's read through a few paragraphs of Harry Potter y la Piedra Filosofal, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, and focus on any words that contain the letter C. I've put the words that contain a letter C in bold, so what you can do if you want is pause this video, have a go at pronouncing the words first, and then listen to me pronounce them to see if you got them right. I'll read through this extract slowly so that you can really hear how I pronounce the words. Capítulo 11. Quidditch. Cuando empezó el mes de noviembre, el tiempo se volvió muy frío. Las montañas cercanas al colegio adquirieron un tono gris de hielo y el lago parecía de acero congelado. Cada mañana, el parque aparecía cubierto de escarcha. Por las ventanas de arriba veían a Hagrid descongelando las escobas en el campo de Quidditch, enfundado en un enorme abrigo de piel de topo, guantes de pelo de conejo y enormes botas de piel de castor. Iba a comenzar la temporada de Quidditch. Aquel sábado, Harry jugaría su primer partido, después de semanas de entrenamiento. Gryffindor contra Slytherin. Si Gryffindor ganaba, pasarían a ser segundos en el campeonato de las casas. Casi nadie había visto a Harry porque Wood había decidido que sería su arma secreta. Harry también debía mantenerlo en secreto. Pero la noticia de que iba a jugar como buscador se había filtrado y Harry no sabía qué era peor, que le dijeran que lo haría muy bien o que sería un desastre. Era realmente una suerte que Harry tuviera a Hermione como amiga. No sabía cómo habría terminado todos sus deberes sin la ayuda de ella, con todo el entrenamiento de Quidditch que Wood le exigía. La niña también le había prestado Quidditch a través de los tiempos, que resultó ser un libro muy interesante. So the words containing a C that we had in that extract were cuando, meaning when, cercanas or cercanas, which means nearby, colegio means school, parecía or parecía means looked like, acero or acero means steel, congelado, congelado means frozen, cada means every, aparecía or aparecía means appeared, cubierto is covered, escarcha means frost, descongelando means thawing, escobas is broomsticks, campo means pitch, conejo is rabbit, castor means beaver, comenzar or comenzar means to begin, contra is against, campeonato, championship, casas means houses, casi is almost, decidido or decidido means decided, secreta means secret and it's used as an adjective, secreto means secret and this is used as a noun, noticia or noticia means news, como means as, buscador is seeker, como means how, and con means with.